Hey guys, it's time to unbox the much awaited Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. It's officially launched here and it's the 16GB model. So the box looks very similar to the J5 Pro box, which I already unboxed a couple of days ago. So you can watch that video on the channel. And I got this one in a black color, so can't wait to see that. Let's just quickly peel off the plastic. Okay, there we go. We got some specs information on the back, some made stuff. So full metal body, 13 megapixel back camera with f1.7 aperture and 13 megapixel front with f1.9 fingerprint scanner and 5.5 inch full 1080p HD Super AMOLED display. So no 720p for the J7. It's going premium on that. All right, let's cut the seal. Okay, there we go. And bringing the phone out of this blue box. There we go, the Galaxy J7 Pro, and in my opinion the black color looks really good. So as you can see, looks really good. We're also going to be doing a small comparison with the J5 Pro, but first let's see what we have inside the box. So quick start guide. Okay, so you got some paperwork, you can read that if you're new to this stuff. We got normal headphones, USB cable, so this is not Type-C, this is just a normal cable, USB 2.0. And then finally we got the charger, and this sadly does not support fast charging. So I don't know why Samsung, they want to keep the A series like the most premium one out of all the series. I mean, they provide us so many great things with the new J Pro phones, but still they don't support fast charging. So let's just quickly get this one opened. And wow, this one has some weight to it because it has a 3600 mAh cell. I can't wait to test out the battery drain test. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so let's have a closer inspection. And as you can see, this phone looks pretty good in this black color. Feels like a matte black finish, just like the iPhone, and feels really good in hand as well. Overall design is taken from the Galaxy S7, so this does have that flagship feeling. And looking at the bottom, you can see we got the charging and the 3.5mm headphone jack. The home button is still there with the touch keys on the sides. And of course, the signature feature of the J series, which is the flash on the right. And also we got the speaker on the right, which is similar to the A series. And then we have the camera, new shape, as well as better in low light. And duos, of course, they do support dual SIM, and they do have the hybrid SIM slot, so separate trays for 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. And let's just get right into the phone. I'm just gonna quickly boot it up, and let me know what videos you want to see, what tests you want to see. And I will be doing a combined full review of this one and the J5 Pro. So let's have a quick comparison with the Galaxy J5 Pro. So you can see the size here. They look quite different. Of course, this is the 5.5 inch, this is 5.2 inch. So you want more power as well as bigger display, then obviously J7 Pro 2017 will be the phone to go with. And of course, it has more RAM, so it will definitely do better in RAM management. So let's just start off. And this is again the latest UI, similar to the Galaxy S8 family. They are like the first Samsung mid-range phones to have this latest UI. And currently, out of all my phones, these are the second phones from Samsung to have this Samsung Experience 8.1 UI. And we're just gonna set up the fingerprint scanner. And I forgot to show you the fingerprint scanner speed in the J5 Pro unboxing video. And it's just normal. I'm not gonna say it's super snappy. So let's just have a random pattern. All right, done with the fingerprint, and we're just gonna skip this. Useful feature, finish, later, and we are done. Inside the UI, and it looks super good. I have to say 1080p Super AMOLED display is pretty enough. Of course, you can have Quad HD with the Galaxy S8 family and S7, but 1080p, most people don't really have to worry. I mean, this looks so beautiful. So let's just go into About Phone, software information, and as you can see, we are having Android 7.0 Nougat on this phone. So still, we have yet to see 7.1 from Samsung, but hopefully that will come soon. With the latest UI, you have the option to turn off the app drawer, so you can just have the phone with the home screen. You go into this settings and check out home screen layout. And as you can see, apply it. If you just want a simple UI, I actually like it without the app drawer. I use it like this on my Galaxy S8 Plus. So it may have the Galaxy S8 UI, but the Bixby is not here. Instead, we have this briefing thing. You can disable it. And yeah, this is a pretty good phone. The best part about this phone is the battery. It should perform really, really good, just like the Galaxy A7 2017. Let's check out the camera. And you guys have been asking me about the camera review and everything. I will show you guys some camera samples in the full review video. But yeah, this is improved compared to the normal mid-range cameras on Samsung phone. Like, it is a little bit better in the low light area, but you can't expect like super changes. Of course, it's just a mid-range phone. Main change is just focused on the design. So you can see you have a full change in the design department, and they have dropped the removable bag. So the previous J 2016 lineup was probably the last of Samsung phones to have removable bag. Only the super budget Samsung phone will continue to have the removable bag, but yeah, it's removed, and now you have this premium look. So obviously I don't really need removable bag. I think this is looking pretty good. A lot of people will enjoy this build quality, but still it doesn't support fast charging, which is a shame. But let's see the fingerprint scanner speed here. As you can see, it's okay. It's actually a little bit faster than the Galaxy J5 Pro, because I mean, it can unlock the phone without, you know, being waked up. So as you can see, it does work like that. But if you press it, it unlocks a bit faster. So here's a quick comparison again with the Galaxy J5 Pro side by side. There have been a couple of differences. Of course, you have bigger display on the J7. You also get bigger battery. And then you also get some extra features with the software. I've noticed that with the Galaxy J5 Pro, you don't really get the always on mode. A lot of people have been commenting on my videos about this. So as you can see, I've typed in and there's nothing popped up here. Always on mode is not here on my J5 Pro 2017, but on the J7 Pro, it is here. So as you can see, it's enabled, and look at that. It is working. So on this phone, there is no always on mode, which is again further downgrade to the J5 Pro. And also we do have more RAM, so I would love to test out its performance. And the only thing that bothers me about both of these phones is that they don't support fast charging. Again, that is a bad thing. But yeah, let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy J7 Pro, what videos you want to see. I have to say it looks really, really good with this black color, because the antenna lines are kind of blend in with the black look, so you don't really see them. It's not that noticeable compared to a normal blue color. So some people don't like these antenna lines. For that, you should go with the black color. It would be much better. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.